It's Lat Langur and his clan. I cried, recognizing the leader. So the I and her sister, the writer, recognized that it was a specific Langur and his clan. Clan means group. As the leader of the band, he carried himself proudly, even though he looked more like an old man with untidy silver grey hair and whiskers standing up around his black face. So, what are whiskers? Whiskers, have you seen the long hair of cats, dogs, or something? They are bulging out like this from the face. So, those are the whiskers. His symbol of office was his tail. Symbol of office means he was it was a proud thing for him. It was the longest of all. As he strolled among his followers, grooming each other in the sun, he held it aloft like a ceremonial umbrella. So how he used to handle his tail, it was the longest of all the langurs. He used to have it upright, straight, aloft, like a ceremonial umbrella. In the ceremonies we have the setup of umbrellas. So they are just beautiful and they are proudly presented. Same way he used to carry his tail. They never look so superior when Bishan is around, my sister remarked. Whenever he appeared, the langurs quickly took off, scrambling into the trees and crashing through the jungle in great flying leaps. So at the sight of Bishan Singh only, Bishan, he was a human being, right? He was a Kumaon. But the langurs were they were frightened of him and they used to went inside the jungle. Pincho had no experience with langurs. With the brashness of a beginner, so he was very Pincho. He was just of 6 months. He was 6 months old puppy. So he was very overconfident and he didn't know about langurs. So with the overconfidence of a beginner, he now dashed into their midst, yelping and snapping at their backs. From a safe distance, of course, he started shouting on them, barking on them. Yelping means cry of pain, and snapping means to break suddenly. He suddenly went to the group of langurs and started barking at them. They looked at him with the disgust on their faces, like they were surprised. Who is this? Such unseemly noise on such a lovely day. The langurs were not liking the noise created by Pincho. But when Pincho persisted in his racket, persisted means he continued with the shouting, with the barking. Racket is with the noise. Lat Langur sauntered across. The main head, the Lat Langur, he sauntered. He walked very slowly, made a grab for the insolent puppy. Insolent means who was not at all respecting the langurs. So he just picked up the puppy and slapped him soundly and gave him a good slap. With a yelp of fright. Yelp of fright means now Pincho just cried as he was frightened, scared. Pincho landed on his back in the grass. Quickly getting to his feet, he tucked his tail between his legs and crept to where we stood. So Pincho got scared. He tucked his tail between his legs and he went back to the humans. But he soon forgot his humiliation. What is humiliation? He got embarrassed, right? But he forgot it. I just got a slap from a langur. When he picked up another scent lower down, he picked up another scent and he started following it. This led him into a scrub where he was soon lost to sight. So this scent led him to a place where he was not at all visible to the humans anymore. On the slope on the other side sped his quarry. What is quarry? It's an animal that is chased. So he saw the animal which he was chasing, which he was following the scent of. It was a single male sambar who lived somewhere on Mahat Pani, probably also enjoying the sunny spell and now disturbed by our dog. We whistled Pincho back to us, not wanting him to get lost, and the sambar quickly disappeared into the trees. He was a magnificent creature. Magnificent means big, beautiful creature, full grown and over 5 feet high at the shoulder. The first time we saw him, he wasn't looking so grand with his horns tattered. What is the meaning of tattered? The horns were in poor condition. First time when they had seen that sambar, he was not looking good. But the next time he had got a brand new set and looked his imperial best. So we named him Samrat. But the next time they had seen this sambar, now he was looking very grand. He was looking very royal with the new set of horn. So we named him Samrat. But Bishan didn't share our enthusiasm for the sambar. This Bishan, this man, he was not at all interested in this sambar. Looking at him, he did more damage to a standing crop than Lat Langur and his troop of 30 monkeys or even half a dozen hares. Why Bishan was not interested? As he was a caretaker of the estate and he did not like the animals who used to damage the crops, and this like the sambars, they used to damage the crops a lot, like more than langurs and more than hares. Hares a rabbit. But father wouldn't hear of Samrat being driven away. But the father of the children, he would never like that you drive away a sambar from the field. So let us turn the pages. Like many other wild creatures, the sambar found safe haven in our place because we never ever let forest fires get inside the boundary and wildlife was left undisturbed. So sambar was really interested in coming to their estate because they found the safe haven. Heaven is here HAVEN, place of rest. And as there was a very good boundary wall and father had never let the forest fire enter their estate, so Samrat Sambar, this particular Sambar, he used to rest inside their estate.